The United States Supreme Court's decision in Miranda v. Arizona was highly controversial when it was rendered in 1966, and it remained controversial in the decades that followed. In 1968, Congress enacted 18 U.S. Code Section 3501 with the clear intent of superseding Miranda. Section 3501 provided that a defendant's confession was admissible in federal prosecutions so long as it was voluntarily given. Section 3501 also specifically provided that law enforcement officers' failure to issue Miranda warnings was only one factor to consider in deciding whether the confession was voluntary. That meant that a confession could be held voluntary even if officers failed to advise a defendant of his or her rights. In 2000, Congress's power to push back with legislation was addressed in Dickerson v. United States. Charles Dickerson committed an armed bank robbery. He was arrested and interrogated by FBI agents at their office. He confessed to the robbery. A federal grand jury charged him with bank robbery and related offenses. In a pretrial motion, he contended that the district court should suppress his confession because FBI agents failed to read him Miranda warnings before subjecting him to a custodial interrogation. He alternatively contended that his confession was involuntary. The district court found that his confession was voluntary, but agreed that it was inadmissible under Miranda. In an interlocutory appeal, the prosecution argued that the district court erred by suppressing Dickerson's confession under Miranda. The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals didn't address the Miranda issue. Instead, on its own motion, the court reversed the district court's order suppressing Dickerson's confession and remanded for a trial at which the confession could be offered into evidence.